Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strength in English. In this session, we are going to learn about film review. Let's proceed. Before we start learning about the film review, it is very important to understand what is review writing. Reviews are the short descriptions where we express our opinion and recommendation about books, films, music, concert, etc. Therefore, a review should be a balanced discussion and evaluation of the strengths, weaknesses, and notable features of the text, film, concert, etc. They are important tools for evaluation. In review writing, present tense is usually used. A reviewer is an observer, not an examiner. Here we understand what is film review. Basically, film review is the analysis of short or feature-length films for newspapers, magazines, televisions, or blogs. Reviews can be positive or negative, usually with an emphasis on the film's structure, performance, and cinematic quality. Film reviews include a wide range of information about the film to inform the viewers what they can expect if they go to see. The goal is to attract the reader's attention and to convince the viewers to go or not to go and watch the film. So therefore, the film review needs to be an unbiased outlook of the reviewer. So here we understand what are the points we need to include when we write the film review. A film review should include film title and category, what type of film can be. Second one is target audience. Third one is director and production company. Fourth one, main performers. Fifth one, brief plot summary without disclosing the mystery or climax. This is one of the most important points, students, that is technical features, in which you need to write cinematography, choreography, music, direction, etc. Followed by opinions of yours in an unbiased manner, both likes and dislikes and ratings. And finally, write the critical appreciation. Now there are certain useful expressions which can help you to write the film review properly. The first one, title. Title, author, director, actors. This is the first point. The first is very important to know the film is directed by whom. The film is produced by whom. It is starred by whom. Therefore, the first one is very important. Second point is setting. The action takes place in. The story takes place in. So therefore, the setting plays an important role to expose the movie. Third point, characters and plot. Who are the main characters? What is the story about? The film begins with what, or how does the film begin with? The film has an unexpected ending. So these things can be discussed in the third point, characters and plot. The fourth one is very important. The fourth one, which is very important, that is reaction. So what are your reactions with regard to the film review? I am impressed by what? Or I am impressed by whom? What do I think about the movie? The film is terrible, or the film is exciting, or the film is entertaining. I like the film because these are the reasons you need to mention. I didn't like the film because these are the reasons you can mention it. I certainly wouldn't recommend this film. These are the reasons. I can certainly recommend this film. These are the reasons. And then in other way you can write, I can thoroughly recommend the film. These are the reasons. So in the fourth point, you express your responses, your reactions. In the fourth point, that is reaction. So here I have given the sample of the movie. Here I have taken the movie Slumdog Millionaire. You see the first two words are there. The first two words, the beginning of the letter has to be a capital letter. The movie has got two words. The first letter of the word should be in capital letter. If the movie has got three words, the first letter of the word should be capital. That is why I have highlighted with yellow color. You see, Slumdog S is highlighted, millionaire M is highlighted. And then you can begin with cast, who are the main actors in the movie. Second, you can write director, who has directed the movie, and then producer, who has produced the movie, and then very important, music director. So these are the things you can write at the beginning, and after that you can follow the guidelines. According to the guidelines which were given, you can write your film review. Numerous narratives and films have explored the issues related to children and human rights, especially in the Asian countries. Slumdog Millionaire is essentially about the harsh realities of the children living in the slums in India and the things they are forced to do. It depicts the story of Jamal Malik by Dev Patel, a teenage boy from the Dharavi slums of Mumbai who appears on the Indian version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This illiterate boy goes on to win the show, thereby arousing the suspicion of the game show host Anil Kapoor and of law enforcement officials. Desperate to prove his innocence, Jamal tells the story of his life in the slum where he and his brother Salim grew up, of their adventures together on the road, of vicious encounters with local gangsters, of their life in the slums of Dharavi, and of Latika, acted by Freda, the girl he loved and lost. The story in flashback sequences reveals how every encounter in Jamal's life provided the key to the answer to the questions asked in the game show. But the real reason for Jamal's being on the show is not to win the money, but to find his lost love, Latika, who he knows watches the show religiously. Director Danny Boyle has successfully portrayed the actual situations that occur in a poverty-stricken slum area like Dharavi. The film was actually set and filmed in India. The flawless acting by all the actors, especially by the child artists who originally belonged to the Mumbai slums, makes the movie a visual treat. Propelled by the scintillating music of A. Rahman, the film has songs whose words most Westerners may barely understand, but whose tunes stay with all the listeners. The film was a worldwide success. It won 8 Oscars, including for music given to an Indian, that is A. R. Rahman. The film is a true eye-opener. It portrays the spirit of every slum child of finding hope, the release from the bondage of poverty. In short, Slumdog Millionaire has all the elements: a perfect story, superb direction and screenplay, delightful music, and flawless acting, which makes it worth seeing. Student, there are certain points to remember when you write the film review. Title of the movie. After that, you can write what type of movie, whether it is detective, drama, cartoon, horror, comedy, science fiction, romantic, documentary, etc. Third point is the movie is full of what? Is it more, is it full of funny scenes, good special effects, mystery, surprising scenes, dangerous situations, dramatic scenes, love and romance, sad situations, etc. Next one, you can write how is the movie? Is the movie interesting, thought provoking, adventurous, amusing, surprising, exciting, scary, funny, horrible, fantastic, amazing, etc. So, what is the movie about? Then, music album of the movies or by whom, setting of the movies, main characters of the movie, actors and actresses, the best part of the movies, or you can write the worst part of the movies, and finally you can write your recommendation and ratings of the movie. So these are the points you need to keep in mind while writing the film review. Students, so thanks a lot my dear students, thanks a lot for watching this video. And then here we can put forth your comments. If you like it, you can press the like. And then if you would like to subscribe the channel, you can subscribe the channel for more updating and then more incoming lessons. I hope that this video made a lot of impact in you with regard to learning. When you find it useful, kindly share it with your friends so they also can benefit out of it. Thank you, my dear students, and God bless everyone. Thank you so much.